Hello everybody, it's Janet and welcome to my craft room. Well, as many of you know who watch my channel, you know already that I am a design team member for Eyelet Outlet, and recently I placed an order from them to bring in some new washi tapes because they have some new things since I last ordered anything from them. And also I wanted to be thinking about the upcoming seasons, so especially spring and Easter. Now, I think a lot of us like the idea of washi tapes and brads, but we aren't really sure what to do with them. So my hope is here by describing and showing some of these things for you that you'll get some ideas of your own, and then you can take it from there if you'd like. So let's get started by looking at the different washi tapes, and I'll swatch them for you and talk about their sizes and show you some matching brads that coordinate with them. So I hope you'll hang with me because there's some really cute stuff here to take a look at. So I'm going to start with two brand new super wide washi tapes that they've stocked in the store. This one is simply called Road Washi Tape for obvious reasons. It's very wide and I can totally see this being used on a slimline card. Look how great that is. It even has the crosswalk there for you. And I think this would be great if you had little stamps to put on here of cars or cutouts from dies or from Cricut or whatever like that. It'd be really fun, and it's quite wide, as I mentioned before. In fact, it's 2 3/8 wide, so that's nice and big. And consider that a slimline is usually 3.5 inches. You'd have plenty of room to work with that, with a little border on each side. Now, similarly, we have a train track washi tape, and that's exactly its name, train track washi tape. And this is great too. I actually asked about this around Christmas time if they had anything like this, because I have several Christmas train in particular type die cuts and stamps, and I thought this would be fun to work with. It is the same width and as the road tape, and also would be fabulous on slimline cards or also mini slimline cards. So those are fun. Again, those are called road washi tape and train track washi tape. All right, let's move to some Southwest/spring style washi tapes. This one is called iguana washi tape, but it really reminds me of chameleons because it's the same image in all these different pastel colors. It's so cool. I love it. And then Eyelet Outlet has brads to match. These are called reptile brads, but again, they remind me more of chameleons because of the various colors in them, but they are called reptile brads in the store. So you could see there was blue, green, brown, and they'd coordinate perfectly with this particular washi tape. So I could see some Southwest style cards with that, and it would be fun because you could make it a spring Southwest card, right? So here's another Southwest washi tape that I have. It's called cactus washi tape for obvious reasons, but this is cute because it has all these various different cactuses, or cacti probably is the right way to say it, and they are in all these little containers, cups and pots and so on. So these two could coordinate together on a single page as well, and then of course you would have those cute little reptile brads to go with them. Next is a really interesting one. This is called Cactus Flamingo Washi. Have you ever heard of cactus and flamingos being together? Well, you have now. It's really unique, but it's so fun. You've got those bright pink flamingos tucked in with all those cactuses or cacti. And this is a little bit on the wider side too because it's 1.25 inches. Now, in addition to the reptile brads, we also have in the Eyelet Outlet store these fabulous little flamingos, and you could tuck those in with that border, or you could use them as accents on a card. They could be really cute with the with this washi tape. Again, quite different, but I like it. I don't know why exactly, but I just like the coloration of those greens and that really cute flamingo in there. So let's switch gears for a second and talk masculine, because Father's Day will be here in the spring or early summer in June, and this is a cute one for the handyman in your life. It's called Tulle Washi Tape, And as you can see, it's got the tool chest, wrench, hammer, and the saw. And of course, there are plenty of brads to go with this in the store too. These are the saw brads, which look pretty darn close to what you see in that washi tape. There's also a set of brads called tool brad set, and that has the hammer and the wrench. There's the wrench, and here's the hammer. There are two more brad sets that I don't have. One is called Saw and Tool brad set that has the saw and the toolbox together. And the toolbox looks, again, very identical to this washi tape. And then there's another one called Toolbox and Nail brads, and that has the toolbox again and nails. So it covers all the things in this washi tape between those brad sets. All right, we're going to go back in time a little bit and we're going to talk about Easter. So this is a set of 3 washis, and it's called stained glass washi. And so there are 3 fun washi tapes here. There's this really, really thin washi tape that's fabulous for borders, and really it is, you know, stained glass in appearance, but it also is very masculine. So I thought it would go great with these tools. But you can see the colors would also go pretty well with some of these other washi tapes too. The second washi tape is kind of the standard width, and it includes all these random rectangles of colored glass. And it also could be used for various borders and things. It doesn't necessarily yell Easter to me. But then the third piece in this 3-roll set has more Christian style images in it, with the rising sun and the dove, and then various colors in it. And that is more clearly, I think, stained glass in appearance, and speaks to, you know, like the Easter season. So I love that I can have a little bit of something to make some of my religious style cards for people at church and other friends who I know celebrate Easter and feel that that's an important holiday. All right, next up I've got some wider washi tape again in this pretty floral pattern. There are these flowers, 4 different sets of flowers, and they're quite pretty. I love the blues and the pinks in this. And it can be used horizontally or vertically. I kind of think it's supposed to be vertical because the plants seem to be pointing up, but obviously it would look very good horizontally too. So I think you can really get away with it either way. And this washi tape is 1 1/4 inches wide, so it's a nice width. All right, so I'm going to flip this over now and we'll take a look at some additional washis. Now this is called Rabbit Washi Tape Sticker Roll. And just as the name suggests, it comes in a sticker roll where each piece is stuck to each other. So you just peel it off and you will eventually release this individual sticker of a bunny. Now I thought this would make a really cute banner where you could put a letter in every one of these little areas underneath the bunnies. So it could say Easter or spring or whatever you wanted. It could put a child's name in there. The imagination is really your limit when it comes to using those. So again, that's called Rabbit Washi Tape Sticker Roll. Next up is another fun Easter themed kind of washi. This is called Chicken Washi Tape. It's your standard width, and it has all these little chicks on there, plus eggs that are cracked in half, and there's a little chick inside each one. Super cute, and I think this would be, of course, absolutely adorable in any Easter themed card as a border or as a background. Next up is this colorful washi tape. This is called Easter Egg Washi for obvious reasons. Isn't that cute? And I love all the colors in this too, and it would coordinate with these bunnies up top or the chicks. And then there's a new one that I'm going to show you here too. This is also called Egg Washi Tape, and this is a little bit more elegant, I would say, in appearance. But this is, again, Egg Washi Tape, and the one above it is Easter Egg Washi Tape. But love these colors and the fact that they would coordinate really nicely together. Now, I've got a couple zigzag borders for you here. These are both called zigzag washi. One is pink and purple, and the other is pink and green. And so for obvious reasons, they're called that. So I'm going to show you what those two look like. So obviously the one on the top is zigzag border pink and green. The one I'm placing on the paper right now is zigzag border pink and purple. At this point, I discovered that those two tapes really work well together. Not only are they the same pinks, but they coordinate in the center to form a triangle when you stack them one on top of the other. So that's a great feature of that washi tape. They're sold separately, but they work very much together. Now this tape I really think is very cool because it has foiling on the top that eventually disappears as it comes to the flowers. And this is called Flower Gold Foil Washi Tape. It's different, and I love it for that. It's really, really elegant and would be pretty on spring, Mother's Day cards, Easter cards, whatever you wanted. Now here's another one that I just adore. This is Macaroon Washi Tape. Don't you love that color? And don't they look great with the flowers and the zigzags above? Again, it would be a perfect combination to go together. And this next tape is also great for spring, Easter, and all of those sorts of holidays. What's unique about this is it's a little wider. It's about 1.25 inches again, but this has a peel backing that you peel away before you put it on your card or paper or whatever you're using. Just a little bit different. Now let's look at some coordinating brad sets. These are called colored egg brads. They come in purple, pink, blue, and green. And they're a lot of fun to put in this grass, or you can set them up in any kind of scene, use it as a border, whatever. They're very, very cute. And to go with the colored eggs, Eyelet Outlet has chick brads. There's 2 chicks, each one facing a different direction. I'm sorry I didn't show both of them, but the other chick is similar, just facing the other way, so you can have them facing each other in your card or wherever you're using them. Super cute as well. Next we have some really cute butterfly brads. These are larger in size. They come actually in yellow, pink, blue, and purple. I don't have the blue to show you here. I guess I've used them. But anyway, these are cute in a card scene. You can put them at the top of your card or flying around wherever you want to add that extra little emphasis. This next set is called Easter Bubble Set, and it can be great with all the little different Easter characters. They say things like, "Hey Chickie," "Happy Easter," "Hop to it," and "Think spring." In addition to chicks, there are also chickens. These are called chicken brads, and they could also be super cute in this grass and in other places inside of your card decorating. Now we're going to see a couple rabbit sets. This one is just called Rabbit Brad Set, and it has a brown and a gray rabbit. They each face opposite directions, so you can have them sitting together looking at each other, and that's super cute. And then there is Rabbit Brads in pastel. So there's 4 colors of those. They're just the shape, and they're also very cute and perfect with all those other pastel washies, and of course the Easter and spring bubble brads. And another pastel option for spring are these dragonfly brads. They actually come in 2 sizes, a larger size like this one and a smaller size, and there are some variations in the pastel coloring of them too. They are really pretty. And also those were new in 2021. That wraps it up for me today, but just keep in mind that there are so many more washi tapes and brad sets that will go with the spring, Easter, Mother's Day, and Father's Day holidays coming up. Just check it out. But bye for now. I'll be back soon with some additional things for you from Eyelet Outlet. Take care and have a great day.